Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring sync and creating a home for your notes. Sign into iCloud and enable Notes so everything replicates across devices. Once done, open the Notes app and create a dedicated folder for this project. Use CMD+N to make your first note immediately. Make sure tags and quick notes are enabled so you can capture ideas from any app or screen. This setup avoids duplicate work later and gives you a consistent place to keep text, photos, and scans. Now enrich and structure your notes for easy retrieval. Apply headings, bold, and lists to make content scannable. Add a table for quick comparisons and checklists for tasks. Insert images, use the built-in scanner to capture receipts or pages, and drop PDFs into a note for reference. Tag relevant notes with short, consistent labels and pin the most important ones to the top. Once organized this way, Search and the Tags browser let you find anything within seconds. Finish by sharing, securing, and safeguarding your work. Use the Share button to invite collaborators or export a note as PDF for external use. Set edit or view permissions as needed. For private content, lock a note with a password and enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick access. Finally, confirm iCloud backup is active and export critical notes periodically. If something stops syncing, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to force a resync. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.